Most of the time, when you want to make something last and you think of the color blue, you're not thinking about denim. So today, we're going to give you 6 tips for your denim care. So the number one rule to make your denim last is to wash your jeans less frequently. The less frequent your jeans touch water means the longer that the color will last. So the general rule here is to wash your denim every 3 to 10 wears. Now this might scare some clean freaks out there, but you can even go years without washing your denim. A little dirt in your body oils add character to your jeans. Just like bedhead and dirty hair are a little sexy, it's the same with jeans. So you're probably wondering, how do I get rid of odor without washing my jeans? So here's the tip. Hang your jeans outside and spray with Febreze. This will release the natural odors while preserving the color. If hanging them outside isn't an option, you can always throw them in the dryer on tumble with a dryer sheet. Now that we've established what to do in between washes, how should you wash your jeans? You should wash your jeans inside out and with a mild detergent. You should never use bleach, as this will lighten the indigo and color of your jeans. Now when it comes to drying, you should hang dry them. If they get a little stiff, you can throw them in the dryer on low for a few minutes to soften them up. Now that we know how to wash indigo, how do you wash white denim? You still are going to wash your white denim on a cold to warm cycle or in hot water if they have stains. You are still going to avoid bleach as that deteriorates the yarn, and you can dry them hanging or on a low tumble dry in the dryer. When it comes to denim care, is to hang your jeans in between washes. Hanging your jeans in between washes helps the fibers recover from stress and stretch that may occur from your day-to-day wear, especially in the knees and in the seat. This in turn will help your favorite pair of jeans keep their shape. Lastly, how do you prolong the life of your denim even if they need a mend? Just know that rips and tears are natural, but they're going to be more aggravated the more you wash and dry them, so try to avoid both. But you can always try mending these rips and tears with a straight stitch, or you can try anything from an elaborate stitch like the sashiko stitch, or you can even just get a patch. It's up to you. Either way, natural wear and tear in the thighs and especially in like the back of the knees is natural. So embrace these distresses because it adds character to the actual garment. And with that, make sure you like and subscribe, or if you want to support the work, hit us up on the Venmo. But until then, I'll catch you in the next video.